Hi, Sean's Boosted Garage back with you again today. If you ever had a situation where you ruin the threads on a bolt and you can't get the nut back on, or you can't get the thread back in the hole, and you don't have a die nut or a die to fix it, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do it with just a file. Okay, so just to show you, I do have this nut and bolt that work right now. They thread together perfectly. I'm gonna mess up the thread so it doesn't. I'll have to be a little more aggressive, I guess. There. Okay, see? Locks right up. And just to show you, there's the damage. So, you don't need a die to fix this. All you need is a triangular file. And that's it. And you can fix this bolt so you can get the nut back on, and you don't have to go buy a new one. So all I do, just clamp it in the vise. I'll bring you in closer. So the point of using the triangle file is that, of course, it's going to get down into the threads and clean that out. So essentially what I did there when I smashed the hammer, I flattened out the crest of the thread. So now I've got to open up the thread again so that the nut will be able to thread on without any issues. So here we go. I'm just going to leave it in real time and show you. It's not going to take long. So there you go. You saw just how long it took. Maybe 10 seconds, 20 seconds, whatever it took. Here's the bolt again. Maybe it doesn't show up real well, but the threads aren't perfect. I mean, they're still gonna be flattened off, but at least the mushroomed out part of the thread is gone. And so now, just threads on just like it was brand new. So anyways, just another quick tip for you. Like, share, subscribe, and talk to you later.